Hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be talking about OpenURL and deep linking in SwiftUI. So let's go ahead and get started. So OpenURL is a powerful mechanism in SwiftUI that allows our apps to handle both internal and external links. Now in this comprehensive guide that we're going to walk through, we will actually see basic to advanced usage of OpenURL in SwiftUI, and we're going to see how we can use it for deep linking as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We will start with a simple example. We'll show how the OpenURL basically allows our apps to handle URLs in a consistent way across different views and components. So let's go ahead and start with this example right here, and I'm going to add an environment property called OpenURL, and we're going to create a private variable called OpenURL for this. Okay, now we're going to replace this with a button. So let's go ahead and create a button here, and we're going to give it a string which is going to act as a label. Okay, and for the action of the button, we're going to simply call OpenURL. Now when we call OpenURL, we can actually pass a URL, and Xcode suggestion is correct, so I'm going to take that, and it's basically going to open this website. So if you are in the canvas, you won't be able to play it because canvas is limited to the current view itself. It cannot launch Safari. So for us to be able to see this in action, we need to launch this app in the simulator. Alright, so let's go ahead and launch this in simulator, and what we should get basically a view with the button, and when we tap on the button, it should open Safari and basically launch the website that we are looking for. So there we go, our app is starting up, and we actually get this button. So if you click on it, we actually go to the Safari and it opens up the website. All right, so this is taking us to DevTechie.com right here and displaying all the courses. Okay, so now we have created basically a very basic example to learn how OpenURL works. Let's create a custom view to handle external links. We will create a new view called external link, and this view will require the caller to pass a URL and a label as initialization parameters. Now once we have these parameters, we can use the OpenURL to open that page, or whatever user is trying to visit, right? So this makes our view, or our OpenURL functionality, reusable in the form of a component. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a struct here called external link. We're going to make it conform to the view protocol. Let's take the suggestion first, and then we're going to create two properties, one for URL, another one for label, and we're going to create our environment. So I'm going to copy this and paste it right here, and this is basically going to get us the OpenURL action. And now what we're going to do here is we're going to create our button, and whatever the label is, we're going to pass that as the label for the button, and we're going to call OpenURL. So OpenURL with the URL passed in. Okay, so we should accept a completely formed URL or URL object. That way, like, all we gotta do is call this OpenURL action and just pass the URL in. Okay, now let's go ahead and use this. So I'm gonna remove this because we're not gonna need it anymore, and we're gonna replace this with a list. Now we're gonna create 3 external links, and as you can see, it takes URL and a label. So first one is going to be a URL with string so DevTechie.com, the homepage, right? And we're gonna add the string home DevTechie home page. There we go. All right. The second external link will be a URL string, and this one will take us to the blog. So let me go ahead and copy and paste the blog link. It's just devtechie.com/blog, and then it reads as DevTechie blog. Now one more external link, URL, and this one is going to be string, and then you have our YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel is youtube.com/devtechie. And we know we are actually constructing fully formed URL, so we can safely put like person wrap here. If you are uncomfortable, go ahead and put it inside a flat and launch it that way. There you go. Okay. All right. So now with those 3 lists in place, let's go ahead and relaunch our app. And what we should see now is a UI with three different links. There we go. And these are 3 places. So let's go ahead and click on one. So this one should take you to the home page, the main page of devtechie.com. And second one should take you to DevTechie blog. So these are all the blog posts, and this is different from where we were. So if you go click here, I think, yeah. So if you click here, you go home, and there we go. So let's go back and let's go ahead and click on the third one, which will take you to our YouTube channel. Okay, so this is basically how you can build a simple app with bunch of links, and now you can see how you have composed a custom view wrapping around the OpenURL action, and you can use this view or component anywhere within your app. All right, so with that, we have covered the first part. Let's go ahead and hop on to the next video where we'll actually learn a bit more about OpenURL action. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.